Cornelius, EMO 2019 is just around the corner. We're here today. Firstly, thanks for the invitation here to DMG MORI in Pfronten. Now, EMO this year, not too far, well, it is sort of a few miles from here in Hanover, isn't it? But you're taking quite a few machines to the show this year, like you normally do. Can you tell us what you're going to be showcasing?
Yes, well, we have on display there 45 machines and 29 automation solutions within these 45 machines. So that is showing one of our big focus topics, what is automation in general. Then we have also many innovations in digitization. We will show a new customer portal, My DMG MORI, to make the access of our customers to our service organization much faster compared to today, and to have maximum transparency for them in terms of their machines and their service issues and their orders they are placing with us. Yeah.
And there'll also be additive there, won't there? Additive manufacturing. This is a big area for you these days.
Of course, that is a big and growing area for us, not just making chips. Also building up workpieces is a big point, and for us a big column of our business, and growing more and more, and that will be of course another highlight.
When you talk about automation, one of the machines behind us here has got the RPS3 on it. This is an area of sort of palletization that you're getting quite big. Well, you have been big in it for a while, but it's quite popular for you, isn't it?
Yeah, so that is a standard automation solution, let's say. Also these we will show, but we will show also big innovations there. But just one few words to this RS3 automation, because we talked before about the monoblock series, and one big point in the monoblock line is the ergonomics for the operator. And the amazing thing with the monoblock is when we add this rotary pellet system, then we do not lose any ergonomics for the operator, so he still has the full access to the working area, to the tool loading, and additional to the setup station of the pellet system.
You always pay so much attention to the operator's experience, don't you, here at DMG MORI? Something you must be very proud of, making it easy, not just for someone to buy them because they're productive, but also to use them and operate them.
Yeah, because I think that is a topic for all our customers worldwide, to get operators doing this job on the machines, and therefore it's much more important than it was 20 years ago to make life easy and make fun for the operators working with our machines.
Yeah. So EMO, which is just around the corner, you've got a whopping 45 machines there in the DMG MORI, and it's not just a DMG MORI stand, is it? You occupy, well, tell us where the location is.
Yeah, so it's entry north of the exhibition area, and there we are located in Hall 2, where we have been also a few years ago already, and we will have there an area 10,000 square meters big, where we then will display these nice solutions and machines. And in terms of automation, just let me mention one thing, because that is also coming from Pfronten, and it's really as I see it, a complete innovation. It's an HEV system for pellet changing on pellet handling on the monoblock series. So we will have a 65 monoblock with an HEV solution, where the customer is then completely free in the layouting of the system and does not need any safety fence for this automation system, and he can really work with a collaborative system, so the man with manual operation and automation in one area and in one system.
So it's not only the hardware, but it's also the software as well, as you mentioned earlier. EMO 2019 is in Hanover. This is, it's got to be one of the world's leading machine tool exhibitions, accessible, and companies from all around the world come in. And if you do go, certainly go to Hall 2. As Cornelius said, the DMG MORI Technology On Show is going to be something else. Look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, Cornelius.
Yeah, I hope to see you also, and of course all the visitors of or the guests who are looking at this video. So they are warmly welcome at our booth in Hall 2, and we are looking forward to see them there and show our innovations. Thanks.